Hey guys, we're working on a 2016 Ford E450. This one I believe has the 5.4 liter V8 in it. And the concern was that the vehicle stalled while they were driving and then it became a crank no start. So we just completely guessed and threw a fuel pump module into this, and that fixed it. These are really common to go bad. Now they're located on the inside of the frame rail, and they're just behind the cab on the driver's side. So pretty simple to get out. There's two 10mm bolts that pass through the frame to these 13mm nuts. And I found it was easier just to take the module off to unplug it. I mean, if you're gonna change it out, you gotta take it off anyways. But yeah, we just got that swapped out, fired it up, and we're good to go. We got fuel pressure now, so just thought I'd throw you a quick video on sort of where it is. And yeah, if you have any Ford truck, especially like these E-Series trucks or F-150s, they all run these fuel pump modules, and they're all really common to go bad. So got any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.